This is to help explain how to use the character sheet I created for Cyberpunk. You start on the start page. You will either select your priorities from the chart here, or the GM will assign you stats, skill points, and money. You then come down here to the start box in the stats section and enter in your starting stats, making sure the total matches the total you were assigned or selected. Go to the front page. Your stats are automatically pulled over. This is the gear table. From here you select what gear your character has, or to do custom gear you can flip over to the gear page at the bottom, scroll down, and enter in what custom gear you want to have. Right now I'm wearing clothes. I have shoes and a paracord bracelet on. All these things together cost me $100, and they weigh about 1 kilogram. I also have keys, a wallet, a big lighter, and a pocket knife. These also cost me about $100 and weigh 0.5. Now, to get these back onto your gear page, there's 2 ways. You can either click on the cell, highlight the text, copy it, flip back to here, the front page, and paste it into the cell, or you can open the drop-down list, scroll down, and select it. You then enter in where these items are located. The travel kit we will carry, one of. The PJs will be in the travel kit, and we have 1 set of those. Clothes, of course, are wearing 1 set. The keys and stuff are in the pocket. You will notice as you buy things, they are automatically deducted from your gear money. Wear is the same thing. You simply open the list, select the gear you want, the cost appears here, a short description here, and this is the humanity loss column. For this you will roll a d6 to determine how much humanity is lost. This one you lose either 1 or 2 humanity, so you roll a d6, divide by 3 to get a result of 1 or 2. The cost of the wear is automatically deducted. The effects of the wear are automatically added in. Next we go to the back page. This page has skills, the weapons table, the actions table, hit location and damage taken, and the current damage table. To start, you select a special ability, and in the skill level column you enter the level you have in that skill. You then select 9 other skills for your career package. Then you spend points for your pickup skills and other skills. You will notice as you enter a number into the skill level package, this column here changes. This is the total plus D. When attempting an action, you will roll a d10, add it to this total to get your number, compare that to the target number, and it tells you whether you succeeded or failed. The IP column here is to track the IP you get specifically for this skill. Next we go to the weapons chart. You simply select the weapon you want from the drop-down list, indicate how many you are carrying, and how much ammo you have for that. To get that, you have to flip over here to the ammo page and buy a box of ammo. Fought 100 rounds, we are carrying 100 rounds. Next here is the actions table. This keeps track of your actions. If you want to shoot, simply remember, add it in here. You roll the D10, add it to your plus D number, and you come up with a result. We're going to say 15. If the weapon has a rate of fire of 2, you can, if you choose, to double tap. So you've now shot twice and got a 15. If you wish to shoot 2 weapons at once, you come over here to the offhand, enter in the total you rolled, and it subtracts the negatives for shooting with both hands. Say you then want to take a second action. You then enter the numbers into the second action boxes, and it automatically deducts penalties. Next, we are going to come down here to the hit location and damage chart. The GM will roll when you are shot and tell you how much damage you have taken. This character takes 8 points. The sheet automatically deducts his BTM and tells you actually take 5. Come over here to this chart, count up 5 and mark it. The next time, if you take 5 as well, you go up 5 more, mark it there, and delete the lower mark. This is where you select what armor you want to apply, if you're wearing any, and what kind of round you are being shot with, or stabbed with, or cut with, whatever. For armor, very key, you can either buy some of the stock armor from the Cyberpunk books, or design your own out of Chrome 4. Say you want a armored jacket. You buy the armored jacket, you go ahead and put it on. Style is the style. Style it is, average quality. Material is what it's made out of, and any options you want to put on it. Now, different materials are light, medium, and heavy. Light materials are your silk, your light cotton. Medium material is, say your heavier cotton, flannel, things like that. Heavy material is leather, canvas. For this, we are going to have a medium material jacket at SP 16. Now, as we go back over here, we see that damage is significantly lowered because now this character is wearing armor. That is pretty much a quick and dirty little rendition of how to use this character sheet. Any questions? Go ahead and shoot me a message. Thanks. Bye.